Means dishwasher time. So, first video for my channel of the dishwasher. This is it. Yep, I weren't kidding when I said it. So we've got an A++ Hotpoint with its inverter and the 3D zone wash. Options is the tablet light, the 3D zone, the hour display, model, phone number for service if you really want that, and the model is back on there. So it's H1, H1 03C26 WUK. So yeah, and here we go. So what we're loading up today, yeah, you'll see the thing I'm gonna do. I'm not really expecting any cleanliness on there, although it does have one which actually sprays directly on top here, and then two little holes. Pull them out. I can definitely tell you they're not blocked with any food debris, because I've re-scraped really well. And yeah, so while we're washing, let's show you. First we'll get our crystal tablet out. So, we're washing a few of my mugs. This is my new placement for all my cups, and this will be for other people's. That's for my bowl here, and then the rest is for everything else. So, here we go. We've got the bowls and the plate, my spotty bowl, then we've got cups, lots of cups mind you. And we've got mugs, cups in general, bowl, and yes again bowl plate, some more cups, more mugs, a cup, these two tea bag glasses and some sharp knives. Got some finished freshener here. Got a 3D zone wash, bottom spray. So guys, there we go, see the filter, and yeah, 3D zone wash, upper spray we've already talked through, and it's also got these extra jets at the top there, which once again will spray over. But what it definitely has that you probably don't know, is this. It's got a third spray jet at the top there, and yeah, you can see condensation over there, And yeah, this cutlery we're washing as well. Altogether, it's all we're doing is yeah, I know that sounds silly. I am doing this for the sake of wash results. I'm going to check the sprayers. The upper sprayer is reasonable because there's more things. Pretty much it's fully loaded. If you hear that click, that's all that is the sperm stripping a bit of water. By the looks of it, the upper and the lower are spinning properly and freely, which calls that the fat we're going to take in a tablet. Now we do here have our rinse aid. Then we have our tablet dispenser with its little pre-rinse hole. So don't you worry, guys. It's in there. Clicked into place. I'll rub the remains on me. Now, let's turn it on. And we're going to choose program 1. But we can't choose that, so I've just got normal crockery in there, which is a 55-degree wash. So let's go. So it's 3D zone, the upper basket, tablet light. So let's go. And another thing I quite like about this machine, the start button. Simply of course, it's really quiet. I'll come back when the machine is actually circulating water. Okay, it's circulating water right now. Oh, mind you, it does have a calibrator and an auto cycle sensor. But let's listen to it. Over here. Let's sit down on the chair test. and for the dining room test. So do you get the point? It's really quiet, especially when the tablet comes out. Well, all I can say now is thanks for watching, like, subscribe, share the video, comment down what you thought, and I'm going to make a separate video of the results. See you for now.